Right, so today I'm going to put the Givi side racks on. So I'm just going to take it all apart, see what we've got in here, and then go from there. Right, so these are the pieces. I've been told that the manual is not the greatest, so we'll see how we go and how long it's going to take us. Right, so the numbering is a little bit off, I think. It sort of does it in reverse, I guess. I'll show you what I mean. So you've got number 1 is the rack itself, which is fine. Then number 2 is nowhere to be found, but on the other side, which is the back side of the rack. Fair enough. But the first step would be you would have to take off some screws, which are number 11, which are the last ones. So those are the ones that are coming underneath here. So that's what I'll be doing next, and I'll just go what seems logic to me. Just the numbering seems a bit weird, but I'm sure we'll work it out. Socket set maybe? Thanks Dad for the socket set. Alright, so going from 11 to 3 and 4, which are those brackets under there, and somewhere underneath, which I'm not sure yet how I'm going to get to it. So in my case a little bit trickier because I just got to take off the shed top box mount, so it might take me just a little bit longer to get that off, and then I'll be able to get underneath and get to the other bolt that needs to come out so I can take all of this off. Gotta grab some Allen keys. Alright, so this is what it looks like underneath. So I'll be mounting the brackets. Next up, the passenger foot peg. There's a little bracket that goes in there as well, so I'll do that now. Alright, time to mount. Pretty easy. Now I just got to tighten up all the bolts and then done. Alright, so all done. It's about to rain, so just in time. For the time being I'm going to be using soft panniers because for me it's too expensive at the moment to buy them. It's a good flexible way. I like the quick release, so it comes off very easily, and it feels very sturdy, very good quality, so I'm quite happy. Hopefully in the next few weeks I'll be trying it out and see how they go and make sure everything is nice and tight. I think it's all good. The rack, I'm actually quite happy with them because they're very sturdy, so they seem to save the exhaust and stuff.